Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another exponential equation, that is x to the power 7 x to the power 5 plus x cube by x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 by 27. So let's start this. So we have started to find out the solution or value of x. We have the expression like x to the power 7 plus x to the power 5 plus x cube by x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 by 27. Now we are taking common x to the power 4 x to the power cube from above, so the remaining part will be x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, and the lower part will be, if we take common x to the power 4, lower part will be x square plus x plus 1, and it will be same like 81 by 27. Now here cancel out by x cube, it will be 1 and it will be x. Then the rest part will be like x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x into x square plus x plus 1, and it will be cancel out like if 3, so we can write here 3 by 1. Now we can express x to the power 4 as x square to the power square, and this x square can be expressed as 2x square minus x square. Okay, as 2x square minus x square is equal to x square plus 1 by x into x square plus x plus 1. So this part will remain same like this. Okay, so now we just expressing the equation in a simplified way, x square into 1 plus 1 square minus x square, and the denominator should be same like x square plus x plus 1 by 3 by 1. Now we know the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So we can write the expression here, x square plus 1 whole square minus x square, and the denominator will be same, and it will be 3 by 1. Now we know the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can express this x square plus 1 plus x, here x square plus 1 minus x by x into x square plus x plus 1, that is 3 by 1. Now it can be expressed like this, x square plus x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1 by x into x square plus x plus 1 equals to 3 by 1. Now here we got one same expression, that is x square plus x plus 1, and here also x square plus x plus 1, so that will cancel out, and the remaining part will be like x square minus x plus 1 by x by 3 1. So if we multiply that into x and 1 into that, so the expression will be like this: 1 into 1 plus 1 and 3x. So if we multiply x plus 1 and move this 3x to the left hand side, the equation becomes like this. Now that will be x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So this equation is a quadratic equation and standard quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here if we compare like this, so we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 1. Now for a quadratic equation, we get the root of any solution like minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we are going to put the value of b. B is equal to minus 4 plus minus root over minus b square minus 4 into 1 by twice a. Therefore x is equal to plus 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4 by, here we need to put the value of a, that is 1, so we get by 2. Therefore x is equal to 4 plus minus root 12 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 2 plus minus root 2 means 4 into 3 by 2. So therefore this will cancel out. Therefore x will be 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2, and these 2 will be cancelled out. So the answer will be x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. So we got the solution or value of x, like x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. So we have the solution that x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. I hope you understand the problem and also the explanation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.